Front air vent hose installation versus front air intake and vent hose installation. Except for rear dual hose installation, you can also use the front air vent and intake hose to save more space in your setup while running the Mark II AC. First of all, let's look at the method of only using the front air vent hose. Using the front air vent hose means that you extend only the front air vent hose into the insulated space to be cool, leaving the rest of the AC unit outside the space. Now, let's look at the method of utilizing both the front air vent and intake hose. To use the front air intake hose, you will need to install the front air inlet duct adapter first. We have a dedicated video demonstrating how to install them together to your AC, so let's move on quickly here. Let's explore these two installation techniques differences further. With only one air vent hose to expel the cool air into the space, there are two airflows circulating in the area. As a result, the air temperature will decrease, but it may not cool down as rapidly. Over time, the air temperature inside the area will reach a certain level after having the AC run for a while. Also, the air that comes in through the front intake to cool down is from outside, and it's usually hotter than the air inside. This requires more power to cool the external air. When extending the front air intake hose into the tent, the AC cools the already cooled air. This leads to a faster decrease in the temperature inside, and less power is consumed. If you are looking for larger spaces and faster and more efficient cooling, we would recommend the latter method. However, please note that this method requires the front air inlet duct adapter, which you can find on our website. You can refer to this picture and select the method that suits your setup and cooling needs best.